This elderly couple and 18 others from UP Siddharthnagar district got mixed COVID vaccine. Health officials say although this was an oversight or absolutely unintentional, there were no adverse health effects seen on the citizens. So can COVID vaccines be mixed? Has there been any study conducted in any part of the world? Is India also going to conduct a similar study? I'm Arun Singh and all of these questions will be addressed in this video in next 3 minutes. Let's begin by addressing this question just at the outset. Can you mix two vaccines in India at this moment? The answer would be absolutely no. You should wait for trials and also clear guidelines from the government. Now, what is this study that India is going to conduct? As per sources in Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, India is to conduct a study to see impacts of mixing of two COVID vaccines. This will take around 2 or 2.5 months. Along with this, government will also review the impact of its decision to increase the gap between two doses of Covishield. Now, this will help in executing the possible plan of a single dose schedule of Covishield. Now, Dr. Rajneesh Kapoor, Vice Chairman, Interventional Cardiology, Medanta Hospital, joins us. Doctor, which factors do really decide that we go for mixing of two COVID vaccines?
So if we talk of criteria of mixing and matching the vaccines for COVID, I think still the data is not very concrete, but yes, some reports are coming up. There is one Spanish study which mixed and matched Pfizer after a Covishield vaccine. First dose of Covishield was given to patients, and then after 8 weeks, Pfizer was given. And it was clearly noted that the immune response becomes more robust after we give Pfizer after a Covishield. The remote indications are now in some areas, if there is a scarcity of one vaccine, we can go ahead with another vaccine as a mix and match, and also keep procuring the data. Still, we require a study in this aspect to have a better guidelines. So keep procuring the data, but we can go ahead if one vaccine falls short. Second, in certain countries, European countries, they have found one vaccine to have more side effects. So that also is an indication that one vaccine they have given, but they think that there could be side effects, then they go with another vaccine. And third, if somebody gets an allergic response with one brand of vaccine, then the second vaccination can be tried.
Another important question, Doctor. Can Covishield and Covaxin be mixed?
So they can be mixed, but we require to have data. We can start a study on initial 200 patients where we do that, procure our data, and if there are safety margins, go ahead with this. So it's a possibility, it's not a guideline. That's how I would put it.
Since both these vaccines use different technology, won't that be a hindrance?
Previously also various vaccines which are prepared in a different manner, they have also been mixed and matched. So I don't think it's a hindrance. It's not a hindrance, but yes, we have to be careful of side effects. There may be some side effects of increased intensity of fever or body aches with the second vaccine if we are changing the brand. So we have to be a bit careful, cautious initially, and side by side do a study of 200 or 500 patients, and then the guidelines will become more clear.
So at this moment, you can't mix two different brands of COVID vaccine in India. That's all I had for this video. I'm Arun Singh. It's a goodbye from my side.